Contextual advertising is a form of targeted advertising for advertisements appearing on websites or other media, such as content displayed in mobile browsers. The advertisements themselves are selected and served by automated systems based on the content displayed to the user. How contextual advertising works: a contextual advertising system scans the text of a website for keywords and returns advertisements to the web page based on those keywords. The advertisements may be displayed on the web page or as pop-up ads. For example, if the user is viewing a website pertaining to sports and that website uses contextual advertising, the user may see advertisements for sports-related companies, such as memorabilia dealers or ticket sellers. Contextual advertising is also used by search engines to display advertisements on their search results pages based on the keywords in the user's query. Contextual advertising is a form of targeted advertising in which the content of an ad is in direct correlation to the content of the web page the user is viewing. For example, if you are visiting a website concerning traveling in Europe and see that an ad pops up offering a special price on a flight to Italy, that a Euro unregistered trademark is contextual advertising. Contextual advertising is also called a Euro-OE in text, a Euro advertising, or a Euro-OE in context, a Euro technology. Apart from that, when a visitor doesn't click on the ad in a go-through time, the ad is automatically changed to next relevant ad, showing the option below of going back to the previous ad. Service providers: Google AdSense was the first major contextual advertising network. It works by providing webmasters with JavaScript code that, when inserted into web pages, displays relevant advertisements from the Google inventory of advertisers. The relevance is calculated by a separate Google bot, MediaBot, that indexes the content of a web page. Recent technology service providers have emerged with more sophisticated systems that use language-independent proximity pattern matching algorithm to increase matching accuracy. Since the advent of AdSense, Yahoo! Bing Network Contextual Ads, Microsoft Ad Center, Advertising.com, Ads.zoo.com sponsored listings and others have been gearing up to make similar offerings. Impact: contextual advertising has made a major impact on earnings of many websites. Because the advertisements are more targeted, they are more likely to be clicked, thus generating revenue for the owner of the website. A large part of Google's earnings is from its share of the contextual advertisements served on the millions of web pages running the AdSense program. Contextual advertising has attracted some controversy through the use of techniques such as third-party hyperlinking, where a third party installs software onto a user's computer that interacts with the web browser. Keywords on a web page are displayed as hyperlinks that lead to advertisers. This sort of advertising also applies to the airline industry, with more airlines offering advertisers the opportunity to advertise on their print-at-home boarding passes, itineraries and confirmation emails. The company driving this trend is Inc., who work with many airlines to help them generate additional revenues. Agency roles: there are several advertising agencies that help brands understand how contextual advertising options affect their advertising plans. There are three main components to online advertising: creation a Euro, what the advertisement looks like; media planning a Euro, where the advertisements are to be run; media buying a Euro, how the advertisements are paid for. Contextual advertising replaces the media planning component. Instead of humans choosing placement options, that function is replaced with computers facilitating the placement across thousands of websites. See also: browser security, advertising network, editorial-related advertising, in-text advertising, in-image advertising, semantic targeting, native advertising, notes. Further references: Ferguson, René Boucher. A Battle is Brewing Over Online Behavioral Advertising, www.eweek.com. Retrieved October 20, 2008. Ostro, Adam. When Contextual Advertising Goes Horribly Wrong, Mashable.com. Retrieved October 20, 2008. FTC staff proposes online behavioral advertising privacy principles, www.ftc.gov. Retrieved October 20, 2008. Kenny, D. and Marshall, J. Contextual Marketing, The Real Business of the Internet. Harvard Business Review. Retrieved July 22, 2008 A.